My name is Keshav. I am from Tamil Nadu and I am going to sing Heal the World by Michael Jackson. There's a place in your heart and I know that it's love, and this place could be much brighter tomorrow. And if you really try, you feel there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the way. Make a better place, make a little space, heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying if you care enough for the way. Make a better place for you and for me.